In this session, we will be going over how to get started with SilkTest using the Open Agent. We will be covering how to create a new project, how to configure SilkTest to recognize your application, and how to record a simple script. The application we will be using for today is a web-based application. To begin, in SilkTest, we need to create a new project. We will start by choosing the Open Project and the New Project button from the Workflow toolbar. We will be selecting a web application for today. We will name the project Insurance Company. And now we have a new project. The next step is configuring SilkTest to recognize your application, and we do this by selecting the Configure Applications button. We will choose a website test configuration. Internet Explorer will be our browser for today, and we're going to use a browser that is already open for SilkTest to detect our application. We'll save the frame file, and we now have SilkTest configured to work with your application. The final thing we will be doing today is recording a new test case. We'll do that by clicking on the Record Test Case button. We'll give it a name, and begin the recording. From here, SilkTest will make sure that Internet Explorer is open and running. Now, as I am walking through this example, you may notice a green bar going across anything my mouse is hovering over. This tells us that SilkTest recognizes the object under it and can allow us to do things like verify properties. In this case, I'll verify that I am on the automobile instant quote page. From here, I will enter in some information. And now verify that I have an auto quote. That is $500. When I'm finished, I click the Stop button. And now I have a new test case that I can play back from the beginning. I will save this and run my test. This concludes the presentation on how to get started with SilkTest using the Open Agent.